Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to show you how to create this sleek low bun. This is a absolute go-to hairstyle of mine. It's pretty much this every day. But specifically, I'm going to show you how best to create this hairstyle if you have got thick, long hair like me. If you are that girl whose hair ties snap every time you try and put a ponytail together, I feel you. I definitely think this hairstyle is just timeless. It makes you look really put together and it is really easy to do. So please do keep watching if you would like to see how I created this hairstyle. Okay, so my hair is currently just doing what it wants. I've just run the straighteners through a little bit just because it was a little bit frizzy, so just to get it as sleek as possible at the moment, but it really doesn't matter with this style. And what I'm going to do is just brush through that, make sure there's no knots, make sure it's nice and smooth. My hair gets really, really knotty at the ends, just where it's more dead than the rest of it, so what I'm going to do is just tie it up in a low ponytail. I like to use these hair ties. They're, you can get them anywhere really. They're just, I think these ones are from Boots, but they're just fabric hair ties. I really like these. These are the only hair ties that I really use on my hair because my hair's super thick. They're really strong, really good, and really, really good for thick hair. So I'm going to use one of them and just tie my hair in a ponytail at the nape of my neck. I'm going to pop that on my wrist. I'll use this rat tail comb just to make sure that my hair's super sleek and that there's no bumps in the top of my hair when I tie it back. So I'm just going to make sure I've got everything. I've got some annoying stray hairs that always end up getting left behind, sadly, so just make sure that they're all up. This hairstyle looks the best when it is perfect and sleek, so make sure that you've got any strays. Use your hand to smooth it down, make sure you're grabbing everything, and then just tie that back. So you can just see that it just sits slightly above the nape, not too low down, otherwise you won't have any room for your bun, so just a little bit, probably like a 2 fingers worth higher than the nape of your neck, just so you've got some space for that bun. I'm just going to hold the top of the ponytail and lightly brush it out. Again, make sure that it's nice and sleek, there's no knots in there. Okay, so the next step is to get the bun in order. So I'm going to flip myself around so you can see exactly what I'm doing. It's a bit of a bugbear of mine when you want to watch a hair tutorial but you can't see what is going on. So I'm going to turn myself around and do my best to talk you through exactly what I'm doing, but hopefully you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. Hello. I'm sat very awkwardly if you can't tell, but hopefully you'll be able to see a bit better what I'm doing in the back section of my hair. So what I'm going to do is section off my ponytail. So I'm going to split exactly in half my ponytail. So I have 2 bits, as you can see there. I've got the top and I've got the bottom, equal parts, well, as equal as I can without, I don't know, counting every strand of hair, but yeah, equal as possible, just from top to bottom. And then what I'm going to do is take one of the sections. I'm going to take the top section first. I'm going to tightly twist that like this, as you would, I guess, a normal bun, so super tight. This is going to help contribute to the sleekness. If you want as well, and I have done this before, you can put a hair mask in. If your hair is in need of a wash like mine is, you can just twist in some hair mask, and I mean, it's great. It's really, really nourishing, especially for the ends of your hair. You can just wash it out when you get in the shower. So yeah, little tip there. I'm going to wrap it tightly around the hair tie. It's a little bit awkward with the other bit of hair in the way, but just try and keep that away from the twisted section. So just keep wrapping it all the way round. I like to twist as I go around as well. When you get to the end like I have here, just tuck that back, get a hair tie and secure that in place. Again, just make sure you pull the section that we've left, just make sure that's out. And you're just going to do exactly the same thing with the other section. So tightly wind it and wrap it round. it should sit quite nicely on top of the first section that you've wrapped around. So it doesn't really matter which way the sections go round. Choose which way feels best for your hair, and which way, I guess it depends on what hand you write with as well, or what your dominant hand is. So yeah, it doesn't matter, if you don't have to alternate the ways. I think I actually wrapped both pieces of hair round the same way, so I don't think it makes a difference. But just keep that going round and secure it in place with another hair tie. It feels really good. It doesn't feel too tight. It doesn't feel like it's pulling anywhere. What do you think? Nice and sleek, if I do say so myself. I'm going to apply some shine spray. This one that I'm currently using is the Gloss Finish Shine Spray from Mark Hill. I use this quite a lot. I use this when I curl my hair, when I straighten my hair, or when I do put it up in a sleek ponytail or a bun. It's really nice just to give that perfect gloss to your hair, and my hair is jet black, so I really love when it just looks super, super glossy. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of that on. And you can just see the shine there. It's so good, it makes such a difference. Another tip, something I will do is use a pomade. I don't actually have a pomade at the moment, but to smooth any flyaways down. This tends to be if my hair is like freshly washed and it's a bit fluffy. I do get quite a lot of flyaways on the top of my head, so I'll use a pomade just to smooth it down and just to make sure that my fringe isn't going anywhere. But other than that, I just use 3 hair ties. There are no hairpins, it's all secure, and it is just the perfect hairstyle if you just want to get it out of your face. If you don't, I mean, if you've got really long hair, really long thick hair like me, and you just want it out of the way, but you want to look super chic and really put together, it's just a perfect hairstyle. I'm just going to finish off and add some hoop earrings just because why not? This is just my go-to. A black high neck top, a sleek bun, chunky hoop earrings and a red lip, and I honestly am good to go. Please let me know if you like this video. I really enjoyed filming it, so yeah, hopefully you liked it, and I hope it helps anybody that has got long and thick hair and they just want to perfect that low bun. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more from me and my channel, please subscribe. Comment down below as well if you think you will try this hairstyle, if you think it will help you, or better still, what videos you would like to see from me, and yeah, I'll do my best to fulfill that for you. If you don't already, please do follow me on Instagram. I'm at Alina Beauty. I'll pop all the details down below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I really, really do appreciate you being here, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one.